friends, today I'm going to talk about the Red Magic 9S Pro Plus. It just launched and it's got an awesome design, a super fast processor, a 50 megapixel triple camera setup, a big battery with fast charging, and killer gaming performance. Let's dive into the unboxing and my first impressions. Hey guys, it's Mikey from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications so you don't miss out on more awesome tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. Here are the boxes for the Red Magic 9S Pro and 9S Pro Plus. Inside, you get a 165-watt power adapter with a Type-C output, a hard plastic case, and the usual accessories. Now, talking about the design of the Red Magic 9S Pro Plus phone, it looks similar to the previous generation. The back has the 9S mentioned, and it features a three-dimensional design. The phone weighs about 229 grams and is 8.9 millimeters thick. Looking at the rest of the phone's design, it's similar to the Red Magic 9 Pro series. It has front and back glass with a metal middle frame. The front and back are flat, and it comes in the classic Red Magic color, transparent silver. Besides the screen, everything else on the phone is in silver color. The back has clear glass, and like before, the camera area is integrated into the back without any noticeable camera bump, just a small cutout for the flash. This transparent silver back isn't actually see-through to show the phone's components directly. Instead, it features a decorative design with screws, a Snapdragon chipset, and the brand's logo, which includes RGB lighting. The phone has a dual camera setup and a cooling fan with RGB lighting. When gaming or charging the phone, the RGB lights automatically turn on, enhancing the immersive gaming experience. The phone also features stereo speakers, along with pressure-sensitive shoulder buttons on the left and right sides, which now come with lighting. On the same side, there's also an air outlet. Additionally, it includes an infrared sensor and an advanced 3.5mm headphone jack. Using headphones reduces sound latency. The Red Magic 9S Pro Plus sports a 6.8-inch ultra-narrow bezel screen without a punch hole for the camera. Because the camera is under the display, the camera hole is completely hidden this time. So, when watching videos or gaming on the Red Magic 9S Pro Plus, you won't see the front camera at all. The biggest upgrade in the Red Magic 9S Pro Plus is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which runs at a maximum clock speed of 3.4 GHz. Compared to regular Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processors, this one offers a higher frequency, with the ultra-large core reaching a max clock speed of 3.4 GHz. The GPU also gets a boost, with a 1 GHz GPU available. It comes with UFS 4.0 storage and LPDDR5X RAM. The highest variant offers 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. Being a gaming phone, the hardware is set to be next level. In benchmark tests, the Red Magic 9S Pro Plus scores over 2.34 million on Antutu, compared to regular Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 phones that score up to 2 million. This makes it the highest Antutu running score so far. It even outperforms the Dimensity 9300 Plus, so the performance is truly outstanding. In Geekbench 6, it scores 2,179 points for single-core and up to 6,854 points for multi-core. Now let's look at the performance test with heavy games like Genshin Impact. The game was played at the highest settings, with a resolution of 837 by 1060 pixels. It achieves an average frame rate of up to 60 FPS and consumes up to 6 watts of power. Overall, the phone delivers excellent performance without any noticeable shutter issues. It features a high-end heat dissipation system with ultra-high thermal conductivity cold cream gel covering a total area of 182 square millimeters for heat dissipation. It includes a large area VC vapor chamber, a high-speed centrifugal fan, and other materials, all part of the S-Magic cooling system. The phone features one of the most sophisticated mobile cooling solutions, and this time, the cooling fan isn't very noisy. The fan offers 2 speeds: equalization mode, where the fan noise is barely noticeable, and turbo mode, where there's a slight noise, mostly activated during charging. This won't bother gaming much. If you prefer high-quality gaming, the Red Magic 9S Pro Plus is perfect for you. It uses hardware to increase resolution without relying on typical interpolation algorithms. With this next-level hardware, you can enjoy high image quality, like playing Genshin Impact at 1440p in high settings. At this resolution, you'll notice better quality compared to default mode, but it might cause the phone to heat up slightly during gaming. The simple solution to this is the active cooling fan that comes with the Red Magic 9S Pro Plus. This fan effectively manages temperatures, ensuring that gaming at high resolutions doesn't lead to overheating issues. Alongside the phone, several other accessories have also been launched, such as a tiny Bluetooth speaker. Now, talking about the Red Magic 9S Pro Plus display, it features a 6.8-inch AMOLED display. The display uses BOE's Q9 Plus luminescent material and offers a resolution of 2480 by 1116 pixels. It boasts a 120Hz refresh rate and reaches a maximum peak brightness of 1600 nits, with a global brightness of up to 1000 nits, ensuring good visibility even in sunlight. In addition, it comes with a display enhancement mode that makes the screen brighter and provides stronger contrast. This ensures accurate colors, look, and feel on the screen. The display also includes a high-frequency 2160Hz PWM dimming feature, which prevents eye fatigue during extended gaming sessions. For gaming, the phone offers a touch sampling rate of 960Hz and a maximum instant touch sampling rate of 2000Hz, the highest touch sampling rate available so far. For multi-finger operations in gaming, the phone also includes touch shoulder buttons that operate at an ultra-high rate of 520Hz. These touch buttons enhance the gaming experience significantly. In the Red Magic 9S series, there are two variants, the Red Magic 9S Pro and the Red Magic 9S Pro Plus. Both phones share the same screen and design. However, they differ in battery and charging capabilities. The Red Magic 9S Pro supports 80 watts charging and comes with a 6500 mAh battery, providing longer battery life benefits. On the other hand, the Red Magic 9S Pro Plus supports 165 watts fast charging and comes with a 5500 mAh battery. This phone supports fast charging, and in a battery endurance test, after 60 minutes of high-end gaming, the battery depletes to around 17%. This means you can get almost 5 to 6 hours of battery life on a full charge. Charging is also fast, taking approximately 19 minutes and 28 seconds to charge the battery from 0 to 100%. Additionally, charging options are available. When gaming, the phone receives power directly rather than drawing from the battery. This reduces heating issues, improves performance, and prevents battery damage. Talking about the OS in the Red Magic 9S Pro Plus, it runs on Red Magic OS 9.5 based on Android 14. The experience is smooth, and for gaming optimization, it includes game space. The phone also features AI functions. In the Red Magic 9S Pro Plus, there's a rear-facing triple camera setup. It includes a primary 50-megapixel GN5 main camera with optical image stabilization, a secondary 50-megapixel JN1 ultra-wide camera, and a third 2-megapixel depth camera. The main camera performs well and offers many features, delivering high-quality pictures. For selfies, there's a 16-megapixel under-display camera. Talking about the price, the Red Magic 9S Pro Plus starts at approximately 5,799 Chinese yuan, which converts to around 623 pounds in the UK and $798 in the USA for the variant with 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. In conclusion, the phone offers superb gaming performance and a good display. It's a bit heavy and the camera is average, but it's perfect for anyone looking for a high-end gaming experience. What do you think about the Red Magic 9S Pro Plus? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Signing off now. Thanks for watching, have a great day, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.